everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Reagan if you are new here, and today what we're going to be going over is we're going to be unbagging my Yes Oh Yas bag. This is a monthly subscription. I pay $15 a month for it, and it comes with 5 full-size products. If you want to subscribe to it, I will have the information in the description box down below, and you can use the code HUNNI, HUNNI, for 10% off of your purchase. So the first thing we're going to get into is they have this, it's Jivi exfoliating face wash with lemongrass. This is what it looks like. It retails for $18. I am going to insert a clip here in just a second of me using this. It has a lot of good ingredients in it. It's all organic. Aloe vera juice, witch hazel, let's see here, coconut oil, chickpea flour, vegetable glycerin, grapeseed oil, vitamin C, comfrey root, pineapple, papaya, thyme, licorice root, willow bark, vitamin E, and essential oil blend, and obviously lemongrass in it. Smells amazing. It really made my skin feel really super nice after cleaning it, so highly recommend that. The next thing in there is the IBY Desert Vibe. This is a 12 eyeshadow palette. This retails for $25 and comes with a mirror, which is really nice, but these are the colors in it, all very pretty. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick little look using this. I don't know if I said this retails for $25 or not. I think I did. Maybe not. I don't know. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to start off with this color here as my transition shade. I can say right off the bat, just putting my brush in, these have a lot of kickback to them. I'm okay with that as long as they perform on the lid like they should. But that's just a heads up so that you know if you don't like kickback. There is that. Now this color is very close to my skin color, so it's not going to really pick up a lot. It's just what I wanted to put in, just my crease for a transition shade. And then we're going to deepen everything up here. So I'm going to go ahead and go next into this one here. This is called Take a Hike. That other one was called Low Key. So this one is Take a Hike. Then what I'm going to do is just deepen up a little bit more using this color here, which is called Sundown. Alright, let's see here. I think the color we're going to go in with is called Insta Story. Ooh. And that is this one right here. We're going to see how it applies just with a brush first, and then if I need to I can go in with my finger. It ended up being a very pretty color. And then what I'm going to do for my highlight in my inner corner is use this color here, which is called Aurora. Alright, and now I'm just going to finish up under the eyes using the Take a Hike. And just a little bit of that Sundown just to darken up right there. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to swatch a few of these other colors that are just so pretty. but I didn't use. So as you can see here, well, maybe, there we go, a little bit. Try and swipe that on a different part of my arm there. Those colors are so pretty. That blue, I definitely want to use that blue at some point for a look. But we're gonna go on to the next thing in the bag. So it is the Skone's Insanely Intense Tattoo Eyeliner. This is in the color Plum, so we're gonna hope this goes okay with it. This retails for $19. It is a felt tip. Alright, so that's what that looks like so far. I don't know if the purple really goes with the eye look, but that's okay. I just wanted to try it out. The next thing in the bag is from Perse. This is a smear-proof liner. This is in the color Nudist. This is definitely the perfect nude lip liner. It goes on very smooth, so like that. Next thing in the bag, which this retails for $23. That's an expensive lip liner. The next thing is also, I think, no, this is from Sorme. This is a natural lipstick and it retails for $22. This is in the color Dazzling. And this is what it looks like. It almost matches the eyeshadow that I used. So I'm going to go off camera just a minute, clean up the fallout that was under my eyes, and go ahead and pop some mascara on, and we'll come back and finish discussing the rest of this bag. Alright, so this is the finished look using all the products in this month's Yes, Oh Yes bag. So the retail value is $107. So it's definitely a great value, only spending $15 for the bag and getting something, which I believe that with every bag it's gonna retail over $70, I think is what they said. So definitely worth your money. I'd highly recommend checking them out. So I want to thank you for watching today. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be reminded the next time I upload, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching and you have a great day.